Hello folks, we're out here at a 7 acres escape today, and we are poured concrete again. You can see we got our whole floor all poured. This follows up on our other video that we did, but I wanted to share with you how they're half of this shit. We're actually pouring these walls up here. That's separate of the foundation, but it's for the framing, and we'll talk more about that as we go along here. But you see how they have to do it. They're literally having to load it in this little bobcat, Track Hoe, and then watch how they're going to do it. They're going to pick this up here as soon as it gets it full, and they're just being ever so gentle about how they're pouring it. These guys are doing a great job. But just stay with them for a minute. You'll get to watch them pour this. But you can see how what he's doing right over here, this guy right here, he's actually poking this stick down it, trying to get, and that'll get the air out of it. Some call it jitterbugging, but whatever you want to call it, that keeps the air out of it. These guys are really great. Now watch this bobcat here, this Track Hoe. He's actually going to put over here ever so gently. This guy's doing a great job because he doesn't want to, I mean, these things got to be done gentle. I mean, they're just these forms, because they're in a precarious position. But when it's all done, it's going to be great. Now watch him. Isn't that great? Watch how he's doing that. Oh, it's just gentle. Look at this. Oh, I just love it. Great job, guys. There he goes. You can see it being poured right in there, right? Look at him. It's just good. How he's getting this poured like this. This is just awesome. And so they still got this one right over here that they got to finish at today. But that's today. I mean, they'll get them both. Well, back to this again. So you can see how we all got this done. Now, see how my steel is here? I want to talk about a little bit about our steels. The steel's been set. And then he put a board in between here to tie this all off, so my steel doesn't wobble, especially during the times that we're actually pouring that concrete. But anyway, it looks really good. And look at this floor. It's already setting up a little bit. They've done a fabulous job. You can just see that the quality of the workmanship here. Well, hey, thanks for watching our videos. Hit like and subscribe, and you will stay with us, and we'll do the whole 7 acres escape together. We're coming along. What a wonderful day. Thanks, folks, for watching our videos. We appreciate you. God bless.